Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive financially during a recession while others struggle to keep their head above water? It's a question that has been asked time and time again, especially as we face the looming financial crisis of 2024. A recession can shake the financial stability of many, but it doesn't necessarily spell disaster for everyone. In fact, some individuals manage to not only survive, but also prosper during these challenging times. How? It's all about preparation and being able to identify and seize the opportunities that a recession can bring. During a recession, market dynamics change and new potentially lucrative opportunities emerge. For those who are prepared, a recession can be less of a catastrophe and more of an opportunity to grow their wealth. So, as we stand on the brink of a potential financial downturn, it's time to take a hard look at our financial preparedness. The question is, are you ready to turn the recession into your golden opportunity? The first step to financial stability during a recession is understanding the financial landscape. The economy is like a vast sea, and just like a seasoned sailor, you need to learn how to navigate its waves. Having a firm grasp of the economic cycle is paramount. Know that economies ebb and flow just like the tides, and recessions are merely the low tides. Understanding the signs of an upcoming low tide can help you prepare and protect your assets. Next up, market trends. They're like the winds that guide your ship. Identifying which way the wind is blowing helps you make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Lastly, investment opportunities are like hidden treasures in this vast sea. Some are riskier than others, but the potential rewards can be significant. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the financial world. Equip yourself with this power and you'll be better prepared to weather any storm. Next, let's talk about how to build a recession-proof portfolio. Picture this. You're on a tightrope high above the ground. You wouldn't want all your weight on one foot, would you? You distribute it evenly across both feet to maintain balance. This, in essence, is the concept of diversification. Diversification in the financial world means spreading out your investments across different asset classes. This way, if one investment takes a hit, the others can help cushion the fall. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket, and it's particularly crucial during a recession. Now, let's delve into the types of investments you might consider. First up, we have stocks. During a recession, some stocks may plummet, but others can still perform well. Consider investing in industries that typically remain stable during financial downturns, such as healthcare or consumer staples. Next, there are bonds. These are essentially loans you give to companies or the government, and in return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Bonds can be a safe harbor during a recession, as they typically provide steady returns. Real estate is another viable investment. It may seem counterintuitive given the housing market crash of the late 2000s, but not all real estate is created equal. Rental properties, for instance, can provide a steady stream of income even in a recession. Lastly, there's gold. Historically, gold has often increased in value during economic downturns as investors flock to it as a safe haven. However, it's important to remember that past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Balancing your portfolio across these different asset classes can help you spread the risk It's like an insurance policy for your wealth. It won't necessarily prevent losses, but it can help mitigate them. Remember, building a recession-proof portfolio isn't about chasing the highest returns. It's about constructing a sturdy financial fortress that can withstand the storms of the economy. A well-diversified portfolio can be your safety net during a financial downturn. Another key to financial stability during a recession is creating multiple income streams. This is where the concept of passive income comes into play. Passive income, as the name suggests, is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It's money that keeps rolling in even when you're not actively working for it. One of the most popular ways to earn passive income is through rental properties. By investing in real estate and renting out your properties, you can generate a steady stream of income. Sure, it requires an initial investment and some maintenance work, but the income it brings can be a lifesaver during a recession. Another great avenue for creating passive income is starting an online business. With the internet at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. From drop shipping to affiliate marketing, there are numerous ways to make money online. And the best part, you can start these businesses from the comfort of your own home. Then there are dividend stocks. If you invest in a company that issues dividends, you'll receive a portion of the company's earnings at regular intervals. It's like getting a bonus just for investing your money. With multiple income streams, you won't have to rely solely on your job for income, giving you a financial cushion during tough times. Let's recap what we've discussed so far. We've taken a deep dive into understanding the financial landscape during a recession. We've acknowledged that while the economy may be in a downturn, it's not a dead end. Instead, it's a maze filled with opportunities for those who are ready to navigate it. With the right knowledge and tools, we've also explored the idea of building a recession-proof portfolio, a diversified mix of investments, carefully picked to withstand the ups and downs of the economic tide. This includes a healthy balance of stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps even some precious metals or cryptocurrencies. But we didn't stop there. We went a step further to discuss the importance of creating multiple income streams. We've underscored the value of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Whether it's a seed hustle, an online business, or rental income, having more than one source of income can provide a safety net when times get tough. In essence, becoming financially stable during a recession is not about avoiding risks, but about understanding and managing them. It's about being proactive instead of reactive. It's about taking control of your financial future, no matter what the economic climate may be. With these strategies, you can not only survive the recession, but come out financially stronger. Remember, every crisis is an opportunity in disguise.